clear. All the way up to right, entry chicane, 2 bales. And then up to hairpin right. And we're going to look for slot 8 right off here. Into right entry, big slalom. Yeah, in here, and then back down to the right, and then we're going down to 9 right. Down to 9 left. And then 9 left again. And then slight right nipple. Down to medium right, and then up to 9 right. Then 9 left. Up to roundabout. Up to slotting 9 left. And then into right entry chicane. Come on.
Come on, pal.
Keep it tidy.
Shit.
Up to hairpin right. Down and over the jump. Medium right to slot 9 left.
You getting the horn?
Then we're going slot 9 left again. All the way up to hairpin left. And then we're doing a medium right going that way out the other side. Down to hairpin right. Up to 9 right. 9 left, 9 right. Easy around to the right, tightens for 9 right, rocks inside.
Fucking hell, pal.
Going medium left to medium left again, then 9 right. Going down to 9 right. Here, just here. Then 9 left. Then 9 left again, then 9 right. All the way down to the end. To the long medium right. For the left entry chicane, 1 bale, same as normal. Down to the roundabout, but we're only going halfway round and slotting left off it. So you're heading off that direction.
Got you.
And then round to the left to keep, and then hairpin right. Down to the split, splitting right. Round to the 9 left, 9 right in front of the crowd. To the split, to the merge, which is going to be clear. Up to right entry chicane. And hairpin right. Medium left to slot 8 right. then right entry slalom. Then we're slotting right on the sign, down to 9 lefts. And then 9 left again. And round the nipple. Down to medium right, up to 9 right. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Up to 9 right. 9 left. All the way around the roundabout. Up to slot 9 left. And then right entry chicane. Right tidy. Down to hairpin right. Then we're going over the jump. Straight on down over the jump. Medium right to slot 9 left. And then we're slotting 9 left again. Go on, son. Down to hairpin left. That's it. Down to hairpin right. Then 9 right. Nine left, 9 right. Long medium right, tightens down to 9 right. That's the job. Medium left into immediate 9 right. Then 9 left. 9 left again, then 9 right. All the way down to long medium right. For your left entry chicane, 1 bail. Down to the roundabout, halfway round, slotting 9 left. And then keep left after you've slotted off for hairpin right. Then this time we're splitting left. Splitting left for right entry chicane. Go, go. That's it, boy. Another one. Go on, son. That's it. And hairpin right into finish. How badly did we get held up? That must have cost us 20 seconds.
100%.
15:41:42.
And we just about took 30 out of him.
Hang on, stop. 16:12.
12:00, yeah.
That was redonkulous.
It was.
Someone needs to have a word with them. These is fucking mirrors.
Yeah.
Just missed it completely. I gave them some hoots round by the spectators.